Transform an existing blackboard into a whiteboard with Post-it dry erase surface. The high-performance material is easy to install and stain-proof, making it remarkably simple to update and transform your teaching environment. Get started by cleaning and drying the existing blackboard, removing any residue. Then, unroll the Post-it dry erase surface on a flat, clean area and peel back 12 inches of the black liner from the top edge. Align the left corner and top edge of the Post-it dry erase surface within your frame and press firmly along the top edge with the included cloth. While doing so, gently push any air bubbles to the edge, staying aligned to the inside edge of your frame. Continue by peeling back 12 inches from the liner at a time, smoothing to remove additional air bubbles along the way. Finish by trimming any excess film with a utility knife. Then, recycle the liner and box. Well done! Now you have new opportunities to teach, learn, and achieve. Post-it dry erase surface, the instant, flexible whiteboard solution.